Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows screen is too big, that means zoom in is display. So the first method is check display resolution. To do that, right click on the empty area, go to display setting, scroll down, under the display resolution option, tap on the drop down menu. Make sure you are selected the recommended version, that means highest resolution. If you are selecting the lower resolution, try to select the highest recommended resolution like this. Once you done that, you will see the pop-up menu and select the keep changes option. And the second method is you need to come here again, and there is another option called scale. Tap on the drop down menu. If you selected the 125 version, again select the 100 version. This is the recommended one, because 125 version the icons and text will be bigger and it is zoomed in version. And the third method is you can check the graphic driver setting. So you can right click again on the empty area, and if you installed NVIDIA or AMD graphic card, you will see the there are control panels in here, but in my case there is no that kind of control panel, so that's why I don't have that one. If you see that one, you can select the control panel, and in that menu you can see scaling or adjust desktop size kind of option. You need to set the scaling to full screen or disable GPU scaling option, so then it will be automatically handled by Windows. Then after you need to apply the changes. And that zoom in issue is only browser specific, that means you need to press Ctrl and 0 on your keyboard. That means Ctrl and 0 number in your keyboard to reset the zoom, or you can hold the Ctrl button and scroll the mouse wheel down. Then it will be automatically zoom out your browser. And if you accidentally turn on the magnifier check, so you need to disable that one. To do that, you can press the Windows key and plus you can press the ESC key. Then it will be automatically turn off the magnifier. Or you can go to the start menu and go to setting. In the left side menu, go to accessibility. There is option called magnifier, and you need to turn off like this. If it is turned on, you need to turn off. So these are the methods you can try to fix that zoomed in screen. If you see your Windows icons are blurry, that means your graphic driver has issues, so you need to update your graphic driver into the latest version.